The great hammerhead shark is one of the ocean's most recognizable predators, defined by its wide, flattened head and a calm, deliberate presence rather than constant aggression. That unusual head shape, called a cephalofoil, is not decorative, but a highly specialized structure that improves sensory perception, maneuverability, and control within complex marine environments. Its eyes sit far apart at each end of the head, giving the shark an expanded field of vision that reduces blind spots and improves depth awareness. Even more important than sight is electroreception, a sensory ability that allows hammerheads to detect faint electrical signals produced by living animals hidden beneath sand. The wide head spreads these sensory receptors across a larger surface area, giving the shark a distinct advantage when locating buried prey like stingrays. Once a stingray is located, the hammerhead uses its head to pin the ray against the seafloor before delivering a controlled bite. This precise feeding strategy allows the great hammerhead to specialize in prey that many other large sharks avoid or struggle to subdue safely. Great hammerheads are strong, efficient swimmers, capable of traveling long distances between coastal reefs, continental shelves, and deeper offshore waters. They are often solitary hunters, but at certain locations and seasons, large groups gather into schools that move together through open ocean. These gatherings appear purposeful, and researchers believe they are linked to mating opportunities, navigation cues, or specific environmental conditions. Unlike more reactive shark species, great hammerheads tend to avoid unnecessary conflict, relying on awareness, space, and precision rather than constant aggression. Their bodies are built for endurance, with long pectoral fins and a tall dorsal fin that provide lift and stability during extended movement. Despite their size, great hammerheads must swim continuously to keep oxygen-rich water flowing over their gills at all times. This constant need for movement increases vulnerability to fishing pressure, especially when sharks become accidentally entangled in longline equipment. Across many regions, populations have declined due to overfishing and demand for fins used in international markets. Recovery is slow because great hammerheads reproduce at a measured pace and do not produce large numbers of offspring. Females give birth to live young, investing significant energy into each developing pup before release into open water. Newborn hammerheads are fully formed but face immediate danger from predators during their earliest months of life. As they grow larger, hammerheads gradually move into deeper waters, expanding their range and refining hunting skills with experience. As apex predators, their presence helps regulate prey populations and maintain stability within marine ecosystems. Without predators like hammerheads, some prey species can increase unchecked, altering reef structure and overall ecosystem balance. This makes the great hammerhead not just a hunter, but a quiet, stabilizing force in the ocean. Its unusual shape has inspired fear, but that fear often comes from misunderstanding rather than observed behavior. Most interactions with humans end without incident, as hammerheads generally avoid close contact when given space. Their intelligence shows itself through navigation, hunting strategy, and environmental awareness rather than curiosity or confrontation. Every movement reflects finely tuned coordination between body design, sensory input, and the surrounding marine environment. To a hammerhead, the ocean is not empty, but layered with information invisible to human senses. Even in open water, the shark constantly interprets signals carried through movement, electricity, and pressure. These abilities allow it to thrive in environments that appear quiet or lifeless at first glance. Survival for the great hammerhead depends not on speed alone, but on perception, timing, and restraint. Its design has remained effective because it already works in balance with the ocean around it. In a constantly changing sea, consistency can be one of the strongest advantages. Protecting the great hammerhead also protects the balance it helps maintain across entire marine regions. Understanding replaces fear when the animal is observed as it truly exists in the wild. The great hammerhead shark is not a symbol of danger, but a precise predator shaped by its environment and essential to the ocean's stability.